Hi, Max here from T.W White Sons Mazda, and today I'm here to show you our 2014 14 plate Toyota Auris. This vehicle is the 1.8 hybrid vehicle and is in the red exterior colour with the black parts leather interior. I'll now give you a walk around in the vehicle to show you the condition. As you can see, this vehicle is in really lovely condition. This vehicle being a two-owner vehicle that has come into us via part exchange, and as we are a Mazda main dealer, included in the price, this vehicle does come with 1 year platinum RAC warranty and 1 year RAC breakdown cover. As we make our way to the rear of the vehicle, as you can see, it does have rear parking sensors. I'll just open the boot for you as well. As you see, really nice sized boot, plenty of space, goes really far back. Also, it does have the false floor here, which allows for extra depth and a real nice amount of space, which is really handy. And as we make our way around to the other side of the vehicle, again, all in really lovely condition, as are all the alloys, which you can see. Show you the last alloy here. And again, as we make our way to the front of the vehicle, it does also have the front sensors as well. I will now give you a walk around of the inside of the vehicle. As I mentioned earlier, it does have the black part leather interior, so you can see part leather, part cloth, and again is all in super condition, really been looked after by the previous owner. In the centre here for the rear passengers does also have your folding centre console for your rear cup holders. Now as you make our way to the front of the vehicle, first off, just on the driver's door here, you do have your wing mirrors. Again, for the front of the vehicle, as you can see, is all in really lovely condition. Just down here you have your operations for the wing mirrors, your auto folding, and then your parking warning. Now as we step into the vehicle, just turn on the vehicle. All it is foot on the brake and then press and release the power button, and then the vehicle will turn on. As you can see, this vehicle is part electric with the EV mode there, and has done 30,432 miles. On the steering wheel, on the right hand side, you do have your Bluetooth wireless cooling controls, and on the left hand side you do have your volume controls. On the left hand stalk you've got your automatic lights, and on the right hand side automatic windscreen wipers. As we make our way into the centre of the vehicle, first off, well, it's really nice little armrest that does open up with a little bit of space inside. Also, you do have this fold down little tray, which is nice and handy. Your front cup holders, then you have your two front heated seats, two-stage seats, you've got low and high. As I mentioned earlier, this vehicle being a hybrid vehicle with the EV mode, your parking brake, and then just in here you do have your USB port. Then into your dual zone climate control, so if you want the left side to be a certain temperature and the right to be different, it can do that. Then making our way up to the infotainment screen, really nice and simple. If you click on setup, you'll see you'll have various different options. You can go into general settings, the display, audio and connectivity for the vehicle. It does also have your navigation, which is really handy. You can also connect your phone via Bluetooth for the Bluetooth calling, and also you can see here it does have all radio options. It's got AM, FM and DAB radio options, which is really nice. And then again for the front of the vehicle, as you can see, all in really lovely condition. Glove box as well, really nice and spacious, plenty of depth in there. Such a really nice size glove box for this vehicle. I will now just finish up outside the vehicle. So there we have it. That is our 2014 14 plate Toyota Auris. If you would be interested in booking appointments to come down to view and test drive the vehicle, then please do give us a call and we'll be happy to help.